Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the app and iPad are ready. This avoids missing features later. Once updated, open YouTube and tap the plus, then create a short. Allow camera, mic, and storage access so effects can record and save. Next, choose vertical orientation and set your clip length, 15 to 60 seconds, then pick the recording speed like 0, 5x or 2x. These initial steps let you access. Now you dive into the effects panel and learn how to use each tool. Tap effects and browse categories such as face, background, text, and trending packs. Preview any effect by holding it to see real-time changes. Once you find one you like, tap to apply and lock it, then add another to layer looks. Make sure to adjust strength, position, and timing in the editor. Trim clips so effects hit on the beat and maintain natural motion. Finish by adding captions, selecting music, and placing final text overlays so viewers immediately understand the idea. Once done, scrub frame by frame to confirm effects align and there are no glitches. Export at high quality and pick visibility and tags for reach. If an effect disappears or looks wrong, try closing and reopening the app, clearing YouTube cache, or reapplying the effect. If issues persist, reinstalling the app usually restores missing effect packs and permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.